Welcome back to Rustworks. Today we're going to be building a shed ramp. First up, we're going to be choosing a safe slope. A good rule for shed ramps is 1 inch of height equals 8 to 12 inches of ramp length. Once you have your length and width figured out, you're going to want to cut out the shape and lay down some 3/4 inch stone. Next up, you're going to cut the angle of the ramp into 2x8s to make up the floor joists of the ramp. Now I need to mark and cut out a notch so the boards can sit flush with the ground around the 4x4 base. Now I'm placing 10-inch blocking in between each board to make sure they're spaced correctly. Once you're done with your spacing, you can secure the frame together. Now in order for the first ramp board to sit flush with the shed floor, I had to cut out 2 notches from the trim.
Wake up, I'm about to shake up every little thing, show you all that we can be. Come dance in my glow. Fireflies in the yard, everything's a work of art. Already got everything we need to dance in the glow. Towers in my head, can never get enough. That's all my feeling left. Me and my friends dancing till we drop, and the good times don't stop. The good times don't stop.
Now to clean up the left side of the ramp, just mark a straight edge and cut.
Late nights sitting under starlight, searching for the meaning and the beauty that we see. Come bathe in the glow.
Now to stop any damage to the entrance of the shed floor, I added a heavy-duty aluminum commercial threshold.
This is simple, all you need is to believe.